We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as immunizations. You do want to stress on the fourth syllable, the Z syllable, immunizations. Note the sound of the third syllable, the Ni sound here. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as immunizations. Note the Ni sound as the third syllable, immunizations in American English versus immunizations in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.